Welcome to this presentation video of the laser bore sight. We now have laser bore sights in stock and they come in various sizes, as you can see here. We have from size caliber 22 LR and all the way up to 12 gauge for shotguns. So various common rifle calibers, and we also have 12 gauge for shotguns. The way they work, or they come in a package like this with batteries included, and as you can see, I've actually turned two of them on. Both this one, which is a 7mm caliber, and I've also turned on the 12 gauge for shotguns. But the back end can be unscrewed. Let me just try to do that here. And then there's a spring mechanism inside here. Then you can just take the batteries out. It takes three, and all three must face the same way with, you could say, the pole facing downwards. Once they're in, you screw the back end on again, and then it lights up. Now the batteries are out of this one, so that's why it's not lighting up, but that's how it works. For those of you who don't know a laser bore sight, it's very handy for sighting in your gun. So if you've bought a new rifle, mounted a scope, and need to sight it in, you can put a laser bore sight in the chamber. Then it shines through the barrel onto a target, and you can roughly adjust your scope to that point. Then you should be reasonably on target with your first shots. So you don't have to use many shots to zero in and hit the bullseye. 12 gauge shotgun. Most of you probably think, I don't need to sight that in. And you're right in a way, but it can be nice to have an idea. It could also be that you've mounted a shot cam on your barrel because you want to film. Then this can be a great help. Put it in the barrel, point it at a wall, and then you can adjust the shot cam's dot to it. Then you know it's perfectly aligned, so your videos match up with your shots. I hope this video gave you some insight into how the product works and also what they actually look like. If there are any more questions, please send us an email and we'll be ready to answer them.